So let me take you all in 1989. One fine Sunday on 17th of December, sharp at 12:45 p.m., I took birth on this planet. Now, behold with me. There's a children's ward and an incubator, and a newborn baby which took birth hardly an hour ago is lying in it and is under observation. I know you all are feeling puzzled. Why? What happened? Well, hello there. A very good evening to one and all. I am Margi Buch Pandya, and this is my story from bleeding to being bold. Yes, yes, I remember you all are curious to know what happened there. So, we all are much aware about the scientific theory of evolution given by Charles Darwin. One has to struggle for existence. Well, I also had to struggle for my existence for 24 hours. When I took birth, everyone rejoiced at my arrival. But suddenly, my mouth started bleeding suspiciously, and I was shifted in an incubator within an hour or so. Well, I needed strict observation for being naughty immediately after taking birth. So my dad sat there near an incubator for taking care of me and basically to make sure that I am not repeating any notorious acts further. Oh, don't worry, I survived. And this is how the journey started of a single child and a blessed one. My schooling was done in a girls' school at Bhavnagar. I still remember when I was in 6th standard, I was admitted in gents batch of a swimming class where my father taught me how to swim. Well, it was like being a black sheep among the herd. I also used to stand first in all the running races at my school times due to tough raising and never pampering me in a wrong manner by my parents. I was also developing my aptitude towards art and drawing simultaneously. So that way, I can say I am both tomboyish as well as girlish since beginning. We used to live in a joint family, so I have never felt like I am alone. Yeah, but there was nobody available to fight for a TV remote, so I had to fight with my dad. Couldn't help it. My father was used to tell me while helping me in my studies that man has made computers and not computers have made man. So never underestimate your capabilities. I would never forget that. After successfully completing my school, I chose to go for computer studies in my college days. So I earned three memorable things from my college time. First, of course, is my college degree. Second, my first ever gold medal for winning elocution competition, and that's when I found my skill to be in front of public and speaking. Third, I had got an opportunity to donate my blood for the first time there. And that's when I understood the value of our blood and our fortune to be fit enough. करके देखो अच्छा लगता है. I had started believing in it and continued donating my blood afterwards without any fears or self centric thoughts. For my PG degree, I had to appear in an entrance exam, and for that, I had started taking coaching classes from PTE Education. Once I entered my classroom, and my life took a huge turn. I saw a boy who was smart, sober, elegant, and loving. I started falling for him. And even today, after 3 years of being married with the same boy, I fall for him every day. We completed our PG degrees in two different cities and started our careers. I started my career with a shipping company with 6,000 rupees salary, a bully subordinate, and a pathetic, assaulting boss. उसका हाथ कभी कमर पे जाता, कभी कहीं और. I have always believed that a girl should never compromise with her self respect whatsoever comes, and she should be bold enough to raise her voice. I did the same. I threw my resignation letter straight away on my boss's face and revealed all the alarming situations which had arrived in this 4 months. Then I left corporates. But I started my career in academics by keeping that belief in my mind. I worked with two different colleges as a lecturer, and I also developed my career in art field by learning, teaching and practicing my art in different aspects. Till today, I am working towards my dream of becoming a doctorate professor and a fantastic artist and to be self-sufficient. Today, I am in Surat and I am working as a homemaker. From this journey up till now, I have learned one thing: a lady should be strong and independent enough mentally, physically, and financially, even though she marries with a king of a kingdom. Thank you so much for hearing me. Thank you.